Did you have fun? Weni jeye. Weni jeye. How's this? Translated directly, weni jeye. Weni is your eye. J is like enjoyment. Did your eye enjoy? Weni jeye. Honestly, that's what it. Weni jeye. Weni. Basically, I don't know. That's how it's literally translated. But it means, did you have fun or did you enjoy yourself? Weni jeye. Weni jeye. Or me, I enjoyed myself. Many jeye. Me ni. Weni. Did you have fun? Many. I had fun. Be patient. There's two ways that I have here, and one is nyabotre or toboase. So nyabotre or toboase. Nyabotre or toboase. So at this point, my keyboard decides to do constipation on me. The Y, the T, the B, and the N are clearly blocked up. They cannot release their energies, so I can't put the letters on the screen anymore. Once I get the keyboard to work, I'll put them in the description bar, but from now on there is no more letters on the screen. It's just me talking. I'm very sorry, but you know, I can't do anything about it. Go to the bathroom. Some of these I put them in myself because I feel like they kind of relate in the same box. So go to the bathroom. Firstly, the bathroom is ejare. So ko ejare. Go and bath, kojare. Go to the bathroom, ko ejare. Ejare is bathroom. Go and bath, kojare. Go to the kitchen, komukase. Mukase is kitchen. So ko go kitchen mukase. Ko go bathroom ejare. Ko ejare. Go to the bathroom. Ko ejare. Go to the bathroom. Go to your room. Ko demu. Koda, go and sleep. Koda, go and sleep. Ko demu, go to your room. Koda, go and sleep. Wash your hands. Hohro wonsa. Wash your hands. Hohro wonsa ye. Wash your hands well. Don't just wash it well. Okay? So hohro wonsa. Wash your hands. Hohro wonsa. You can also use hohro for like the kitchen goes, like hohro. Hohro near money. Go and wash the dishes. Hohro, my worst ever thing to do in this lifetime. Take me away. Kohohro near money, go and wash the dishes. Wash your hands, hohro onsa. Go and wash your hands, kohohro onsa. You can also say go and wash the dishes, kohohro near money. Oh no, there's a word, there must be a word for dishes on its own. Kohohro incensinim. Incensing is like plates. Kohohro incensinim. Yeah. So kohoro unsa, go wash your hands. Kohoro incensinim plates. Yes. Bowls. Yes. Everything I hate to wash. Brush your teeth. Chichi will say. Ko chichi will say. Chichi is brush. See how I'm brutalizing it, chichi. What are you doing? Edeng na wo ye. What are you doing? Edeng na wo ye. Edeng is what at all? Edeng na wo ye. Are you doing? Edeng na wo ye. What are you doing? Edeng na wo ye. What are you doing? Edeng na wo ye. This is another one where I feel like tone of voice comes into play, because what's wrong, you can say edeng na how, but it's like, what's wrong with you? It sounds like kind of like that, but you can say Bibi how na, is there something wrong? Which seems more calmer. Bibi how, instead of saying edeng na how. Edeng na how comes off slightly, I guess, harsh, and edeng na how, like, what's wrong with you? But Bibi how na is like, oh, what's the problem? What's the matter? Sort of thing. So what's wrong is Bibi how na, or the most easiest one is edeng na how. Bibi how, is there something wrong? Bibi how na, or edeng na how. And the last one she asked for was do you have homework? I asked my mom about this and she didn't really have an answer for it. She said that it would have to be specific. There's no word for homework, but it would have to be specific to maybe a subject. Like, say, did you have, or did the teacher give you like math to do or English to do? But all you cheese speakers that are watching, if you have a perfect translation for did you have homework, please put it in the comments box so that I can help someone else. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like and comment and give me back some feedback, and definitely if you want another one, do it like this lady did and send me an actual list of maybe like 10 to 15 phrases so I can do it, and it just makes life so much easier for everybody. Alright man, see you guys later.
It's rough and smooth.